Okay, so what did we learn about yesterday, guys?
Yesterday we learned about the roots and leaves.
The big topic.
Big topic is leaves,
No,
branches,
the whole of those things are part of what?
the tree.
Oh, so what's the big topic we learned about?
The big topic we learned about is tree.
The big topic we're learning about is about trees. So I have redrawn our tree here, right? And also on my Facebook page, I have posted this kind of drawing that can be printed out. One of them is color and has everything already labeled. And the second one is black and white for printing, and the kid can cut out the names and put them in the correct place themselves. Okay? Now, we don't have anything for you guys to put up yourselves right now, but we can use words, speaking for now. So I have a bunch of blue lines here. We're gonna start up here. This is for 2 or more. What is it? What am I pointing at? Louder!
Leaves!
Leaves, right, leaves. Okay, now we're gonna hop over here and we have only one
Leaf.
leaf. Okay, so let's look at those 2 words. Ready? Leaves. Leaves is for 2 or 3 or 5 or 10 or 100. Leaves. And if we only have one, we call it a
Leaf.
leaf. Only one is called a leaf. Okay? Next up, because I have to teach too. Next up, the leaves need somewhere to grow. Something that sticks out from the tree.
A stick. A branch.
Oh. What?
A branch.
A
A stick.
branch, not a stick.
Or you plant.
Not a stick. A stick is after it falls down and is dead. When it's still on the tree, we call it a branch. So over here in this blank that's pointing to this brown spot here, we put the word
Branch.
branch. Good. Okay. Next up, we're gonna roll into some phonics with this. So wait a moment. Next up, we have the middle strong part of the tree that can grow super tall. What is it?
The trunk.
The trunk.
It's chopped down as a log.
And so we don't care about chopping down right now. We only want to know when it's alive and growing. Next up, we have something that grows on the outside of the trunk and protects the tree. Sometimes bugs live inside of it. What is it?
Bark.
Bark. Bark. And then finally, it's in the ground. What is it? And don't say it nicely. Nobody can understand that.
Plants.
Roots. Roots. Okay, Alonzo's turn. So I want Angelo to shh. Alonzo is smaller, so he's learning this for the first time. Alonzo, when we have one, what is this?
Leaf.
Leaf. Good. I want you to say it louder.
Leaf.
Good. If we have so many, what do we call them?
Leaf.
Leaves.
Leaf.
Good. The leaves grow on the...
Branch.
Don't help him. Branch. The middle big strong part of the tree is called a...
Log.
Not the log. Log is when it's gone. What is it called when it's still alive, Alonzo? Trunk.
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 This part of the outside of the tree that protects the tree, we call it
Bark.
bark. And under the ground, we have some roots. Very good. Okay. So yesterday we learned some about the leaves. What's something that we learned about leaves?
The dog is barking at me.
What did we learn about leaves, Angelo?
Leaves. Color them.
We colored them. What did we learn about leaves?
We colored them.
We did. We colored them. But what did we learn through coloring them?
In winter, the leaves fall.
Oh, we mentioned that briefly. Are all leaves shaped the same or different?
Yeah, different.
Different. Can you be nice?
Yes.
Can you be nice? Really?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, what's something else? What's the leaves' job?
Keep the tree warm.
Not keep the tree warm. We talked about it. We drew a big orange something.
Big orange.
I don't know where my orange marker is now. There's blue. Here's orange. What did we draw? A big orange what?
Sun.
A sun. What does the leaves do with the sun?
Reflect light.
No. I gave you a big, long, hard word, right? And I told you this word means that the leaves what?
Eat the fun.
Not eat, but make.
The frozen heart.
Frozen heart? No. They make the food for the tree. That's called, ready? That's called photosynthesis. Yeah, it's when the leaves take the light from the sun and turn it into yummy, yummy food for the tree. Now, let's talk about what the roots do.
The roots suck water.
Well, yes, they drink up the water. Why? So the tree can drink. The tree needs water to grow.
And also, trees prevent from mudslides and landslides.
How?
They dig into the soil to stop the soil from moving for mudslides.
Are they trying to stop the soil, or are they trying to do something else? And because they do that something else, they stop the soil.
Drink the water and we can try.
No. Come here.
Wait.
Come here. This part, Alonzo, come to. Stand in front of the board. Stand in front of the board. Go ahead. Okay, you don't have to stand too close though. Oh, I'm tasting my water right now. So stand in front of the board. Okay, so. No playing. 5, 4. I want you to try to stand like a tree. Move away from each other. You're too close together. Alonzo. Okay, so you're standing like a tree. Now think, your feet are the roots, right?
Yeah.
Okay, if the tree wants to walk to another place to find more water, can it?
No.
No, why not?
It's
Stuck there. I like that answer, Alonzo. Stuck there. The roots are going to grow longer and longer, not only to find water, but also to keep the tree in place, to make the tree stronger.
If the roots are too weak, the tree will fall.
Yeah, right. The tree will fall. Okay, Angela, I want you to turn around and point to the whiteboard. Point to the bark. Where's the bark on my tree? Alonzo, where is the leaf?
The dog is barking at the bark.
Good. Angela, where are the roots? Alonzo, where is the branch? Okay, Angela, where are the leaves? Good. And where is the trunk? Both of you. Good. Very good. Okay, good job. What do you think? Do you like learning about trees?
Yes!
So the tree's roots are gonna what?
Suck water.
Yeah. So think about right now, recently in Taiwan, we've had what?
Rain.
Well, before that we had
No rain.
no rain. So we had a drought. But did the trees dry? Did they die?
No.
No, because the roots would do what?
Dig in.
They would grow longer and find what?
Water.
Where?
Under the earth.
Under the earth. There's water under the earth?
More like molten.
No, not molten. There are pockets of water under the earth. So the roots will grow and grow and grow until they find the water, right?
Yeah.
It would have to be a drought for a long time to kill the trees, okay? So what do you think? What do you think is the most important part of the tree?
Roots.
You think the roots are the most important part? Really?
Yeah.
Can the tree survive with no leaves?
Yeah.
If you cut off all the leaves, will it be okay?
Yeah.
It won't be able to make enough food, so it might not be okay. When I'm trimming my flowers, I gotta make sure to leave some leaves on. But what happens if the tree almost died? Should we leave the leaves on? No. We should cut off most of them and let the roots focus on growing up the middle part of the tree. Maybe only leave 1 or 2 leaves depending on the size of the plant. You know, get your hand out of your mouth. Okay, why are you so clean? So what do you think? Do you like learning about trees? Hey, hey, hey. Do you like learning about trees?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, good job.